amatanga Chinyangi Chipafde mesangirikano y'ekikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo Inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayega asiri golidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyibitabo bare no bamanyibiguro nigeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo yigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika ejumbe wigwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simigwitira namba 0741499726.
Seriki ne mirongo hebere na isano ne muhumutinyo yokabero umwaka no yobekirubere mirongo hebere ne itano nomo mwanchu murigerere inde no kwegena mbiyore andonsia sole nabo kwanire abayigo kwarigane kwenyora mangana maya yekionga chinse ikomichi abono marigoba eliterane seras nyakunde asense meli manyeryo ne refenesa nyaboke nagusabire tuskale. Ko chaka hekionga chinse ikome nigo hababwatani bekyama gya Jubilee he county ya Nakuru nigo baruro kubolia ngoja sabantu beso kiasobunge na kwarigania baraibense meyo kwamelia serikali bakorawa no muske Fred Matiang'i omuske Rigathi Gachagua hegati ya baraibande go chakira bwankyo kukwana chingeki cyabasabu nigo boigo barure kuregetindi go chia sonde bwensi ruberetie go chigo turubani hetare yo asibono baruro kuboli go chia sabana inchi bonsi kubwata chikura gose bibande bunencherejemo yo kwerobelia hasobo chole bonene wo mwaka wechirubere 2025.
We have conglomerated here today as Jubilee members, aspirants, and those people who believe in making this nation great as our party leader and the deputy party leader who is a presidential candidate, one Fred Okengo Matiang'i. We wish to welcome all the united opposition leaders who will be here from tomorrow and on Saturday. And we have received very credible information. Actually, goons have been mobilized to disrupt tomorrow's rally. That any disruption, we know you have paid those goons 1,000 to 2,000 each. There are 1,000 goons who have been mobilized. They met yesterday, and they are meeting also today in the evening to disrupt tomorrow's rally. You know, tomorrow we are going to end up in Nakuru town, and that is where the rally will be ending. So the disruption that you have planned, we have all the itineraries. And we want to give a warning that there is no monopoly of violence. And we want to talk straight to the Inspector General and one Murkomen that if you are planning war, sisi kama wananchi tunawaangalia. Na 2027 is just next year. One term has become a reality. We as Jubilee, we are well organized, we are articulate, and we know what we want. Let me tell you that it is better to die for an idea that will live than to live for an idea that will die. Because tomorrow we are very peaceful. We will start from Mai Mahiu, Naivasha, Gilgil, and all the sub-counties will visit, including Nakuru town. Then the following day we'll go to Subukia, Bahati, and all other areas. And that will be the launch. You know very well that Jubilee is the epicenter of Nakuru. So thank you so much. Jitokeze, sisi kama wana Jubilee tumejipanga. Let us paint the Nakuru red na presidential candidate wetu ni Matiang'i.
Kabisa.
Tunajua kenye tunataka.
Kabisa.
In the words of Nelson Mandela, in his book Long Walk to Freedom, after 27 years of incarceration, he stated clearly, explicitly and categorically that the youth should not only complain on what they don't want, they should also know what they want. Yes. We as the Jubilee, kutoka mama mboga, bodaboda rider, fundi wa simu, fundi wa stima, kila mahali, we know what we want. And Jubilee Youth League have been able to launch a strategy here that tuko kadi, sisi sote tuko kadi, go and
Litko helimo lio kama gega yetaro ya matukatato kuiko mwelio hasorogongo ruangusi igatia baraya banene bakumiriria serikali bakurawa no Muske Fred Matiang'i omuske rigatigashawa hegati ya baraibande ningo omugando munene wa bananchi besogetie kubarigane hasorogongo ruangusi kukana na barali gwitira century yesime omusike nera rukubolia ngo chia saba ninchi kwene kibuna ngo beka baro mulembe chingaki bakwarigani abarayabo
erieta nkoro kwa Philemon Morara Piemi oyo teneine asekero kyo senator 2027 Nyamira County tiganga kera abantu baitu ba Nyamira ngambia muno sana aso gosoka sikinamba chinyinge chinene aso karabisa omweshimiwa oito His Excellence Matiang'i na leaders bari barenge koma batarete gusi tukaborokia obwanjani obonene naande ekarekananga intu abagusi nabatore amo twensi ase ogo support ya omwana ominto Fred Matiang'i egente kenene ase siasa no gotegerera kisero omonto agukwana igo buna tuachete tugategerera mbuya sana igo tigatobe amo kabisa buna tuorokirie obomobo nari turasikusiko n'ekikabira kinde nandi tonyore ribaga ase national table aseke kieko na chonyo na intinotre egento kende na ere comment mwanya gitinge mona asaba sae ebibande ID cards no kore chester tuchuwaka chikura na kira tokonye ntocha tosoka abange para totebe ngo support turu mwana ominto Matiang'i lakini onye ntobwati ebibande nane toche stars photos mbosa egara kara chukura chigo chagoika ande tochiaka asobonge igona ritoranyare go support candidate cheito bari tuanjete asaba sa tigambate binga my brothers and sisters nto tumeka bobe tuanse gutumeka toegwa besa boke guturubanie mekutano intu togocha komenyense emiaka emenge tigango abana siasa buna butobakanie nabaro butiga batuare mekutano yabo nabaro bakwana biri batayete gukwana nabaro butobategerere no ane riogiriria bete akeiga abantu abandi bakamochikorwana iriteringia achateyo yokoramana achateyo yokorwana egekogera siasa ogotegerere giyo gotegera na kiuko igo no yondo gocha nera kwanene
okonyi umuraibense Muske Professor Kithure Kindiki ni garuro kubolia gochia sawa na siasa kobekense mo siasa na ukorera wananchi magendero hayo baba chorete kukwana hase bunge ya Kieni he kaunti ya Nyeri chinga kichogo siori gatia magendero Muske Kindiki ni gagendera wakireko ko hemerobeli serikali heyegendete wikirani gochia sawa na nchi.
Nimesema sitaki kuzumbuliwa, mimi sitaki tuzumbuane na watu wengine, kila mtu afanye kazi yake. Mimi wacha nifanye hii yangu, siku nitafika hapa kuuliza ruhusa yenu kuendelea, mutaniuliza maswali, mutaniuliza ulisaidia sisi kiasi gani, tulipata stima gani, tulipata maji gani, tulipata barabara gani, soko gani lijengwa hapa kupitia kirauni yako. Hiyo ndio maswali mutaniuliza. Mtaniuliza unatoka wapi, mtaniuliza umefanya nini ama namna gani. Kwa hivyo mimi niko serious na mimi niko busy na sitaki kusumbuana na watu. Petroli ilikuwa 218 shillings 2022, lita moja 218. Nyinyi ni washahidi, kila mwezi serikali imekuwa ikiteremsha bei ya petroli shilingi 3, shilingi 4, shilingi 7, shilingi 2, shilingi 3. Wiki ambayo imepita, last week, mwezi huu tumeteremsha tarehe 15 mwezi huu wa February, tumeteremsha bei ya petroli kwa shilingi 4 kwa lita moja. Ni kweli si kweli? Between 2022 and now, petrol prices have come down by cumulatively 40 shillings from 218 to 178 today. Na bado tunataka tuendelee kuteremsha hiyo bei. Mimi nimekuja hapa kazi, na mimi nataka tutulize boli ya kisiasa. Wale watu wanaleta siasa huku ya kuchochea vijana wapiganishe vijana wale wengine. Hiyo tabia sio tabia ya pande hii ya mlima. Sisi watu wa mlima tunaheshimiana. Hata tukiwa na siasa tofauti tunaheshimiana. Siasa, kura itapigwa siku moja. Na mwenye kupigiwa kura sio mwananchi, ni kiongozi. Ni wewe utapigiwa kura ama ni kiongozi atapigiwa kura? Si ni sisi viongozi mnachagua? So tusipiganishe viongozi wananchi, kwa sababu kura itapigwa siku moja ipite.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Muske Johnson Sakaja nigemambia yalitukulia lero haba kagwikarana bosi bunge ye seneti ya sokwerera bene igoro yokubwatirana gati ya serikali ye kaunti yomo ne serikali nene gukwana chingeke cyo Muske mugavana uyo nigo atebire buna ine njira yemo yokwenekyo bokorore buya gukia saba na inchi be kaunti yo.
But you see, this is the capital where all of these diplomats are. How do we provide for them? For instance, we're providing water and such amenities at the UN, and now we've done a new line through KTTC, which is now a diplomatic village. That the fulcrum is the city, is the capital. All of these foreign countries want to have a sister agreement with Nairobi. You know, how do you domicile those? So let's have clarity that it is not to sit to oversight county functions, but together to look at what have we jointly agreed to do, and is it being done, and how can we do it better, and to bring these concerns. You know, their concerns, security concerns, are very big in the city. And now the normal mwananchi in Nairobi, the way they will not know. I saw another demonstration the day before yesterday on the Eastern Bypass because vehicles were, I think, submerged, and someone's vehicle was really injured. And if you hear them, they're talking about the governor. That is not even a Kura road, it's a Kenha road. Now the Senate needs to be radical. Because, you know, I have a choice to do two things. One, I can pontificate and say, this is the purity of how the arrangement needs to be. So let me wait for the day you disband Kura and Kera and Kenha for me to have a discussion on roads in Nairobi. Or I can be practical and say, I need these roads done. And if there's a situation where I can get more resources, I've just calculated for you 7 billion, 6 billion, 3.7 billion. If there's a situation where I can get more resources as the governor, as the Senate and National Assembly works on disbanding these agencies, I will go for that money. Because my people don't want to know a lot of English about, they want things done. They want things done. And the city must move. And let me give you an example. Because it's a discussion we had for a long time. And I remember the late Prime Minister saying, actually being very strong, even when MPs were against him, saying Kura and Kera must be disbanded. He even gave somebody a task, a former PS, to do a paper to see which counties can actually absorb those functions. Because not all counties have that capacity.
Rais Muske William Ruto nigene kiribune serikali nechigo kini birango bya babisaba banyanyimbo bechichera aso kwene kibuna nkonyora bare hobokoruru bya guchia sawa na inchi gukwana asensemo ya Ruiru county ya Kiambu chinga kicho kubekura chigutu abo bisabe chichera Rais niga tebiruna abo bisabu mbachikomentu imishara yabo yekerengo ke 32 igure yemya ko chakera homotinye ukatano na kabiru mwako yuiga.
This auspicious occasion underscores the government's firm commitment to strengthening and transforming our criminal justice system into one that upholds the rule of law, protects rights, and advances progressive reforms to enhance public safety. As the country's latest cohort of recruits you are joining a disciplined service whose mandate extends beyond the safe custody of prisoners. Your duty is to strengthen social order, support the administration of justice, and help build safer communities across our republic. It is on this third enabler of peace and security where you as prison officers play a critical and indispensable role by ensuring the safe, human, and secure custody of offenders, maintaining order within correctional facilities, and supporting the rehabilitation of those entrusted to your care. The government is fully committed to supporting you and providing the necessary resources to strengthen welfare, uplift morale, and enhance the professionalism of all our disciplined services. I therefore take particular pride in the implementation of salary increments for officers of Kenya Prison Service with the recommendation of the Maraga Task Force report. Phase 3 of the salary review will take effect on the 1st of July this year.
Na gwikira kabumo nchumu rigereria nongo ya kurira mangana maya yekiunga chinse ikomi chawo no maragoba kulenda chikoraga chinse birene chinse nya chabutuko no chikwanyora senchira eyo boikirano litirane sera sinyakunde asense melive manyererio nigarenge fenesa nyabukena gusabiro twaru burigereri burubia.